Warpstone is a substance of immense power and unparalleled instability. This realmstone is known for its green, bright neon colors. Born from the chaotic energies of the warp, it is a physical manifestation of disorder and corruption. For the Skaven, it is both a blessing and a curse. This peculiar crystal is the lifeblood of their civilization, fueling their technology, magic, and even their twisted biology. Yet, its influence is insidious, corrupting both body and mind. Exposure to Warpstone leads to mutations, madness, and a desperate addiction. It is a substance that promises infinite power, but demands an equally infinite price. The Skaven, in their insatiable greed, have become utterly dependent on Warpstone, a dependency that might ultimately prove their undoing. Warpstone is the lifeblood of the Skaven under Empire. It is believed that the major Skaven city, Skavenblight, have been built on a Warpstone bedrock. The extraction and refinement of this precious resource is a central economic activity, driving the Skaven economy and fueling their insatiable appetite for war. Warpstone mines are dark and dangerous places, where Skaven workers toil in wretched conditions, their lives shortened by exposure to the toxic substance. The distribution of Warpstone is tightly controlled by the Skaven elite, ensuring that the benefits of this powerful substance are concentrated in the hands of the few. However, the reliance on Warpstone has made the Skaven vulnerable to disruption. Any interruption in the supply chain could have catastrophic consequences for their civilization. The Skaven have harnessed the destructive power of Warpstone to create a terrifying arsenal of weapons and machines. From Warpstone-powered catapults to grotesque biomechanical constructs, their technology is as deadly as it is bizarre. Warpstone cannons can unleash blasts of pure, corrosive energy, capable of melting even the toughest armor. Yet, the creation and use of these weapons come at a terrible cost. The instability of Warpstone often leads to catastrophic failures, turning weapons into deadly liabilities. Moreover, the exposure of Skaven soldiers to Warpstone-infused technology accelerates their degeneration, transforming them into grotesque, mindless beasts. The Skaven's reliance on Warpstone-powered weaponry has created a vicious cycle of destruction and mutation, further destabilizing their already chaotic society. Warlock Engineers are the arcane specialists of the Skaven race. Possessing a unique blend of scientific knowledge and warped magical ability, they are the driving force behind Skaven technological advancement. These rat-like scholars are as likely to be found hunched over an alchemical retort as they are commanding an army of war machines. Their lairs are filled with strange contraptions, experimental devices, and the remnants of failed experiments. While many Skaven are driven by instinct and brute force, Warlock Engineers are motivated by a cold, calculating intellect. They see the world as a complex puzzle to be solved, with Warpstone as the key piece. However, their obsession with knowledge often blinds them to the dangers of their creations, leading to catastrophic consequences. As the architects of Skaven technology, Warlock Engineers bear a heavy responsibility for the destructive potential of their race. Warpstone is a highly addictive substance, and the Skaven are hopelessly enslaved to its allure. Exposure to the crystal's corrupting influence leads to a rapid decline in mental and physical health. Skaven addicted to Warpstone become increasingly erratic, violent, and prone to hallucinations. Their skin turns pale and sickly, their eyes glow with an unnatural light. In extreme cases, Warpstone addiction can lead to complete insanity, transforming the afflicted into mindless, feral creatures. The Skaven leadership is aware of the dangers of Warpstone addiction, but their own obsession with power prevents them from taking decisive action. As a result, the problem continues to grow, threatening the very fabric of Skaven society. The insidious nature of Warpstone addiction has created a growing underclass of Warpstone-crazed fanatics, posing a significant threat to Skaven stability.